Welcome back to the vlogs, everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. I just got back from something really cool, but unfortunately I can't talk about it. Wish I could talk to you guys about it, but this is something that isn't really guaranteed or like set in stone type of thing. But something just came across my desk, as you could say, fucking Wolf of Wall Street type of reference. But it's some really cool stuff, man. But I'll say one thing. If there's something out there that you've always wanted to do, something that you've always wanted to try out, but you're just too scared to, I'm gonna tell you right now to just fucking do it. Because honestly, you'll never know where that thing that you're passionate about or something that you've always wanted to try could lead you towards. I am currently on my way now to head to Position Advance, which is my friend Matt's kind of shop where he works on cars and stuff. Matt and Reggie, shout out y'all. I'm pretty sure I vlogged there at one point, but yeah, it's a really cool place, really fast guys. We're gonna go over there and chill a bit. I have to upload a video right now because it's almost 5 and I need to start getting on that shit. But yeah, just chill day today. This shit, watch. Maybe I can get this shit. Oh no! What an insane, what an insane location. The airport is just like right near, so there's always planes flying and darting overhead their shop, which is really cool. Go ahead and talk about this also. Steven got his wheels back, or yeah, pretty much, because they were barred for a show. But guys, I literally told him this is the best look. It looks better than the TEs. It just contrasts really well. I feel like that's what builds need is contrast. Unlike this shit. This shit has no contrast. It's just black. It's just that's where you see it's next to the trash can because that's what it is. It's fucking okay, no, I love this car. Man, I'm telling Steven to just keep it like this. You should just sell the TEs.
I should just sell the, I mean, I did contemplate that.
The mag blue on the white is just really, really good. That's why I need contrast with my wheels because my car's already black as it is. Like look at Reggie's. Yeah.
There you go,
black and silver. Yeah. That's all I wanted to come out here for. Wow. I'm just saying, hey, Steven's car looks good. The mag blue, contrast, guys. If you guys don't know where to start, contrast. Are you guys like doing a full like replacement of it or?
Yeah, Virgil's doing the oil filter housing gasket right now. Did the rod bearings last night.
Oh wow. So like a full overhaul, huh?
Virgil already put the caps. For those plastics, they break and they'll drop in pretty much in the front of the motor, and then it'll clog up the pickup, and then bye-bye motor.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
These guys are busy, man. It's good to be busy though. It's a blessing to be busy. This is my first time actually at PA. I'm always at like their like pre-meets for a meet, and like look at all this stuff. Wow, I don't even know what all this stuff is though. Some crazy shit. Look, they're all probably Matt stuff. That motherfucker fast as shit. Oh my god, there's even more here.
There's more on that table too.
Oh really?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm having dinner here in Irvine, and luckily they're located like somewhere in the area. So, and they weren't far from where I was originally, so kind of just works out. But if y'all are in the area and need work done for your car, come to PA. Well, I need to go and edit though. I need to get this video up.
Hey, Dre, you gotta get laps in, bro.
No, I will for sure, but I need to, I need to get work done.
Hi, Dre's fans.
What's this time?
Oh,
damn, sub 2. My bad. My bad.
Nothing, bro. You should see Steven.
What do you get? What do you get?
He just beat my time. I got like 159 something. I got sub 2 here.
All right, I'll hop on, man. It's so tempting, but I gotta get work done before I could even think about it.
Lock in.
This is work. What do you mean?
Yeah, I wish. Upload going on right now. You guys might be wondering, what is that noise you're hearing? Well, we have a master class right in front of us. We have Matt on the sim right now, and we're all just studying and watching because if you guys don't know who Matt is, you're sleeping. This motherfucker's fast as fuck. We have a track day like a week from now. We have it in a week from now. This is the track we're going back to circuit, and we're just trying to see how to drive it. I don't know how to drive it. I can't even drive fast. I don't even know why I'm watching, but you know, it's good stuff to learn anyway. How do you feel, bro?
I'm fucking. This is a fucking mystery to me, bro.
Working on here.
We're doing Icky's spark plug service.
On the spark plug service on these
Never,
before?
first time ever.
Man,
Yeah.
you just gotta make as much room possible.
Yeah, as long as I can stick my arm in there and touch the bolts that I need, I'll send it.
Yeah.
But that side's pretty much done. Yeah.
I see.
Just those 2 screws and I snuck that thing.
Do not know about these cars with boxer engines. Spark plugs are on the side. On typical inline engines, all the cylinders are upwards. They're sideways on these cars. So, typically an easy job for most cars. It's difficult with these ones. But you can see how much room Reggie has to deal with just trying to fish them out.
The more patience you have with it, the smoother you go.
That is true. Yeah, see me, I'm not the most patient guy.
That's when shit starts breaking.
No, yeah, that's when everything starts going wrong.
Attitude's not in the game anymore and the car won't fix itself either.
Yeah.
So gotta walk away, come back.
Take a breather.
That's actually a tool.
Really? You think
Breather.
so?
I think so. That's my best tool is breathers.
We're missing an entire sense, right? We're missing our kinesthetic sense. So it's not realistic in a sense where we don't feel the G's, we don't feel the speed, we don't feel the roll of the car.
Right.
But what we're working on is we're working on pure technique. What we're talking about right now is how we release the brake pedal, right?
Right.
How we release the brake pedal, how we turn in the steering wheel, how much steering angle and how fast we give it. So we're working on inputs, right? So we were working only on just our sense of sight, where we can hear the revs, and just a small bit of feel, which is coming through the steering wheel base. So if we can work on our inputs so well, how calibrated we are on the brake pedal, how we get on the throttle, how we use our steering inputs, when we get to the track, we just added an entire another sense. If I say turn the car and I jam on the throttle and the car oversteers, and I've done enough times on the sim, I know the car's gonna oversteer. So what it teaches you is to be proactive instead of reactive.
What's up, chat? Oh, fuck. I got fucking distracted.
No.
No, my time, bro! What up, chat? Thank you for the 5.
Taking a straight line here, patience with steering input, good job. Turn it full throttle. You're good, you're good.
Good laps.
It was a good lap. I think there's always more to learn, bro. It's fucking crazy.
No, yeah, dude, listening to Matt, we're just talking about listening to Matt like spew his words of wisdom, of track knowledge, it all just makes sense when he explains it, man. But just putting that as an input is totally different. It's totally different. They obliterate this track lap. Guys, I'm wearing Birks.
Oh,
do it.
must be nice.
Okay, bro. Whoa, this positioning is weird.
It is, huh?
Whoa.
Smoother inputs with the hands. This whole lap, drive like this.
Like this?
Super light hands moving to this. Just look at the corner hip right there. There we go. Super light on left. Right, you're good. There you go.
All right, guys, I just got off the sim again. I did a 1.594 now. It's
about to go off. He's going off.
Yeah, I'm going off right now. I was actually putting in some solid work into this. Getting a little rowdy, but also staying really poetic and smooth. Okay, guys, look at this thing. TE37 table. That's pretty cool. I'll bet you don't got that in your room. All right, guys, we are still here at PA. We've been here for like 4 to 5 hours now. I said a 158.5, and they've been trying to beat it.
Whoa.
Can't do it. God damn it.
Oh wait, hold on. I actually said 58.1 earlier today.
What?
Alright?
Oh, you did?
I did.
Okay.
But like I couldn't recreate it, bro.
It's all good. Hey, same. We're same.
157 at home, bro. You get it.
You'll see it at home. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Have a good night.
Good night. Thank you.
Thanks
Take
for having
care.
us.
Hey, no speeding tickets.
Yes. This is actually beautiful.
Thank you.
If you guys don't recognize a car, which I don't blame you, this is a picture of what it used to look like, and this is what it looks like now. Boop. This is what it looks like. But look at this thing. He fully unwrapped it, got rid of the kit, back to stock body, but with the amazing Voltex wing. That thing is gnarly. I want this wing so bad. You guys see that? But that's a cop. I can't lie, the boys were driving a little reckless. So depending on how my face reacts is whether they might get pulled over or not. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. They got so fucking lucky. Bro, I am being so dead, not to rat them out, but they was low-key getting ratchet on the street just now. Thought these two were gone, or these three. They were literally getting ratchet for no fucking reason. I don't understand.
I played the fifth, bro. I played the fifth.
I don't understand. Why the fuck these guys
Hey, no cop, no. We know English, no cop.
Funny though,
What?
I had the camera pointed at me, right, while we're at the light. Because I thought as soon as the light turned, he was gonna light y'all up. So I was gonna have a perspective of and then the lights are flashing at me. I'm like, they're fucked.
I just want to make it known that we were driving the speed limit. We were obeying all traffic laws.
There's no reason,
Yeah, why?
We're just joking. There's no
Yeah,
reason why they would get pulled over.
It's just a what if scenario, you know? It's a what if scenario.